the moment the wind isn't blowing. So this is a good thing. So for the moment you can probably hear me, which is even better. But I've gotten on a kick lately of doing a jump of the month. So today that's what I'm going to share with you. We're going to make a really pretty vertical jump of the month with the stuff behind me right here. And it's going to be really pretty. Hi again, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, jump of the month for April, welcome. That's right, it is April and it's time for another jump of the month. So what I'm going to build is a vertical jump, small vertical jump, using this stuff behind me. And I was inspired to build this jump because it was on the cover of an issue of Chronicle of the Horse. And I just really liked the jump. I did not build the wing standards like they had, because those are gorgeous, just like the picture. Pretty neat, huh? But I really did like the rail pattern too, so I duplicated the rails, which are behind me, and then I got some flowers. So how about, instead of me just telling you about it, how about we build it? So that is it, guys. That is the jump of the month for April. And like I said, it's just a simple vertical, but the main thing that sets this apart are the flowers that I put on the sides. And I got these flowers on Amazon. They were damaged or something. That's how the packaging claimed them to be. And they were $14.95 for 100 stems per box. So I spent $30 on the flowers. But that looks pretty neat, don't you think? And this would emulate what your horse would encounter if you went to a horse show for hunter or jumper classes. Probably hunter classes, not so much jumper. But even my horses right now, you can't see them, but they're checking out the flowers. So this is something that if you want to get your horse used to what it's going to be like in the show ring, maybe incorporate some flowers with your jumps at home. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. Just click on my picture at the end of this video. You can subscribe to my channel and watch all my other DIY and horse jump making videos. Again, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay passionate and enjoy your ride.